Happy Friday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal 10 minutes of our day. We do it together. Before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. Let's move the energy around. Let's release some tension if we have any. We're getting into a really great time this weekend. It is happy summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. It's official. Summer has begun, and it's a great time for you to open yourself up to wonderful things. Declare it, claim it, that it's going to be an amazing second half of the fiscal year. Okay, follow me. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right. Go ahead and hashtag your mood. Let me know how you feel at this present moment. I feel motivated. I'm motivated, you guys. I'm also learning to continually pay more attention to my body. So I took a good nap today. I actually didn't want to wake up. I just wanted to keep sleeping. And that partly had to do with the work that I do there's a lot of mental involved because there's strategy, there's discussions, there's planning meetings, negotiations, and there's a lot of energy being exerted when I'm negotiating or consulting in my real estate business, which is why when I have an opportunity to be creative in my business, it just gives me life when I can infuse some color and some design and some video, PowerPoints here and there. So because my day-to-day is definitely about there's a lot of mental, and I enjoy it. Okay, don't get me wrong. I enjoy what I do. I absolutely love what I do. We're continuing our series. By the way, for those of you who are new to me, say hi, say hello, drop a comment down below. My name's Puerto. I'm an active licensed California real estate professional, creator, and founder of many cool things, including many books, curriculums, workshops, trainings. I am a professional agent trainer, founder of our country's first real estate focused nonprofit, that's Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation, and host and creator of Ready, Set, Real Estate, which is our feature show on this channel. Remember, Shift Your Thinking is a bonus series that we come on and do daily personal development, because as much as I advocate real estate literacy, real estate is only a byproduct of your mental acumen, your mental game. And that comes from you envisioning what it is you want in your life, albeit owning, investing, developing. And this is why we do the personal development, because real estate requires a certain level of discipline, habits, and behaviors when you get involved in real estate investing and ownership, purchasing, selling, flipping, albeit you do it as a dealer or you're an investor, short term or long term. And so that's why we have Shift Your Thinking Daily. We are now on episode 178 of 200. We're getting close, and I'll probably go dark just to give myself some time, or maybe not, depending how I feel. I'm still looking for a great book for us to continue our personal development series. And remember, for those of you who are looking to gain access to our exclusive content, live presentations, videos, updates that I share with using my intuitive gifts, you can be a loyal supporter. You can learn more about that. Subscribe for just $5 a month at lasuperagent.com. Okay, that's that. I'm like, that's enough. That's enough, Lisa. Let's get into it. I'm ready to get into it. I'm doing the audio only today, you guys, so, enjoy the slideshow that I put together. I really prefer doing actually radio, and, while I enjoy being on video and camera, it's much more easier for me to just come in here and you can listen to the sound of my voice. You'd be like, Lisa, no, don't do that. Okay, episode 178 of Shift Your Thinking with Dean Del Sesto. I'm going to call this The Gift of Foresight. I'm in the section where he says, qualifying others for anything. You can foretell the future. It's called a solid reference check. Past performance is the foresight needed to predict future performance. Teaming, befriending, or hiring someone is a bad fit. Can be an emotional, financial, and relational catastrophe. The repercussions are endless, and yet people are hired, enrolled, and invited into critical functions and relationships every day with little or no due diligence. The reason? Reference checks take time and effort to do them right. It's a journey of discovery to find out the details of time past, and it requires breaking the habit of shooting from the hip and instead taking a slower, sniper-like approach where a single shot nails it. It's not only beneficial for us to get this right, it's also a stewardship issue to put people in positions they belong in versus positions they think they can do. For business or personal functions, the time it takes to do a comprehensive check on references is nothing compared to the loss of time and money associated with advertising, training, and cultural acclamation, only to do it over again because it wasn't the right fit. Go ahead and type in the comments, the right fit. It's so important. It's so important, especially if you're a person that is if you're a boss and you're looking to grow your team, develop your team. Do know that bringing on people, additional personalities, their cultural acclamation is so important, because that energy, and we covered this on one of the last episodes, that energy can completely disrupt the vibe of the company, the culture, the vision, the movement, the momentum. I'll continue. He says, whether hiring for a nanny, employee, vendor, or kitchen contractor, Google effective reference checks. Extract the questions and create your own methods. Skill set, dependability, and track record are the basics, but real reference checks include temperament, willingness to serve, how one deals with intensity, that's a good one, conflict, great one, breakdowns, and other personality traits that are not addressed in reference check 101, nor do they show up. He says, P.S. It would be wise to check references and opinions on everyone you'll be in a relationship with, casual or serious. I like this one. This one's timely. It's always timely because I'm, always working on scaling and growing my team, and I'll be announcing, that I'm looking to grow my team shortly. I'm getting everything in place, and so reference checks are important, and it more has to do with the core and personality. Go to those core values. So I invite you to think about this when you're bringing on people, vendors, like he said, cooks, nannies, contractors, partners, future spouse. Dig deep. Dig deeper. All right. That's my time. Love you. Love